Wow, that was really quick. Hey, come a little closer, okay? Thank you, Dean. Hey, where's the big event right now? Cheerleaders, song, bands. It's really going to be awesome. Welcome to the event.
It's a pep rally and a Rotary meeting. We love it. It's our biggest Rotary event of the year.
Fight on, fight on. Oh, yeah! UCLA and USC rivalries.
Fight on!
We have one of the founding fathers here today. Jim, tell us a little bit about the event and what's the score going to be on Saturday?
Well, this is a great event of the Torrance Rotaries. We all get together, come together to support a great cause. We support the Torrance high schools and the school district, all the boosters, UCLA, USC. You just can't beat it.
Thank you one and all for coming to the 11th annual event. It's all about the schools.
Gracious God, as we gather together as Rotarians and friends.
Fourth, will it be beneficial to all concerned? And fifth, for the Rotarians that know this one, will it be fun?
What can I say? We have a lot of fun working together. We're serving the community, service above self.
Anything you want to say to people back home?
As far as the score, I think we're going to do pretty well. I think it'll be 45-9.
How about those cheerleaders, huh?
They're the best. They're the best.
Which blonde? The tall one? Okay.
They're getting younger every year.
Oh, you're going to interview me?
I am.
Okay, good.
This is a real thrill for me in my life. Art Gardner, after 50 years as the bandmaster, the Spirit of Troy, I think John McKay said. Welcome to this event.
Well, thank you. I'm a local guy, so it's just a matter of tumbling down the hill, and I'm here.
For those of you who don't know, Tusk was one of great songs done with Fleetwood Mac.
My retirement party is May 2nd, 2020, and Mick Fleetwood will be there. Yes, that's definitely one of the highlights of my career.
This is amazing. We have the previous mayor here from the city of Torrance, Frank Scotto. Frank, tell us a little bit about what this event means to you.
Well, I've been coming to this event for about 40 years, and finally we've got it in Torrance for the last few years, and so I'm very pleased because obviously you can see I'm a huge USC supporter and go to all the games. As I'm speaking, our horse is coming through the door, and he's going to run right into Dean, so I think I'm going to be preempted by a horse. I'll make a prediction of the game. I think the game's going to be a very close game because both these teams do rise to the occasion. One team could be the number one team in the nation, and the other team could be the last place team in the nation, but this will be truly a hard-fought game by the students, and I think that both teams are going to play for their coaches and they're going to play for their fans.
So, Traveler, what do you think of Art Gardner? Hey, Art, what do you have there in your hand?
I have 50 years of my greatest moments. I've got the Reggie Bush push. I've got the Anthony Davis Notre Dame game. I've got Penn State. I've got every band tune from the last 50 years.
Wow. It's impressive. Impressive. Thank you.
We're going to keep that victory bell this year for sure, for sure. No.
What do you think the score is going to be? How badly are we going to beat UCLA?
Well, our company's been financially supporting this for over 10 years. It's a lot of fun, and we raise a lot of money for the local Torrance schools.
Do they have enough numbers on the scoreboard for that?
I'm Tom Gray. The firm is Riviera Wealth Management. Our firm has probably been financially supporting this great charity event for almost 5 years now. And it's a pretty simple thing. The equation is we get maximum exposure for our firm to hundreds of successful South Bay families, and all the proceeds go to our local high schools, to charities. I mean, who doesn't like marching bands, cheerleaders, and white horses, right? So it's a great event. We're glad to be here.
So first, I want to know, how did you...
This is my 4th year with you guys, and it is a pleasure. As 23 years being the Bruin announcer play-by-play.
Thank you to the Rotary and thank you to One West Bank, and thank you to the police and fire departments that are here. Really appreciate it. And to the police and fire departments, what do you think of this mustache, huh?
Our next guest, wow, Dr. Bartner, the band director for 50 years at USC. Unbelievable.
Anyway, thank you for having me. This is a wonderful event. I wish the Bruins good luck, but not on Saturday. Fight on.
Take a look at some of the keynote speakers from both schools we've had over the past years.
In 1952, an 8-foot teddy bear loaned to UCLA by actress Shirley Temple was kidnapped from the lobby of a Westwood movie theater and stashed in the USC fraternity house. Or as in 1957, when a Trojan spy in the Bruin Rally Committee helped switch instruction cards, so that at game time, loyal Bruin fans unwittingly came up with a series of USC stunts in contrasting colors within the larger UCLA stunts.
Going to do is hover over Tommy Trojan. We thought we could get like 10 feet over Tommy Trojan, drop a noose over his head, and then rip him out of his moorings. Unfortunately, the legalities wouldn't allow that, so we did the next best thing. We bought 4 bags of Bandini, hovered as low as we could get. We opened the bags of Bandini and started dumping it out of the helicopter. We were very covered with this stuff. How much landed, I don't know.
USC or UCLA?
Both.
Why?
Because all-inclusive. Our company attends every year. It's an awesome event, and you cannot miss the grand entrance of the horse into the ballroom. It's awesome.
Yeah, the cause, this is a cause, because of all the money that we raise today goes to the kids in our community to help kids. So, yeah, I hope everybody keeps that in mind, and any donation that they make, it's 501c3, you can write it off.
A great event, made a lot of money for the high schools. Rotary put on a very successful event. Looking forward to next year at this time. Thank you. Now back to you in the studio, Dean.